Some industrial machines can not only be extremely powerful, but also incredibly efficient. Put on your swimming gear, because today, we're going to be diving into the world of powerful industrial machines that are just at a whole new level. To this machine, demolishing a car is as easy as it is for us to snap a carrot into 2 pieces. Have you ever wondered how bridges are made? Well, they surely can't be placed piece by humans, and so enormous machines such as this one are the solution. If you thought watching coal being mined would be boring, then this machine might change your view on it. With a whopping weight of 13,500 metric tons and a height of 22 stories, the Big Muskie was the world's largest dragline to step foot on Earth. In fact, it is so big and powerful, it has the ability to hold 2 buses. Cutting underwater can be a quick and simple task to perform when you have this machine. Crushing material can be simple and easy when you have this powerful gyratory crusher. Just watch it in action yourself. And it's just unbelievable how a whopping 600 tons can be crushed per hour with this machine. This machine would be a great addition to the shipping industry, not only because it's fast, but also because it can be cost-effective. The Tyson 20,000 MT crane is not the type of crane you'd see around every day. It can lift a mind-blowing 20,000 megatons and is the largest crane in the world. For perspective, it is capable of lifting half of Oslo's population. This bucket wheel excavator that is the largest terrestrial vehicle in the world weighs in at 14,200 tons. And it is not just big on size, it is also big on efficiency. It truly can be a treat to watch this blast hole drill that can be configured for various tasks such as multi-pass drilling, rotary drilling, and more. And this cost-effective machine is just amazing. Have a look at how fast it can crush material. If there was a machine that could be classified as a pro for the transportation of large amounts of materials, it would be this one. Even the wheel of machine is taller than some of us humans. This hauler is not only electric, but it's also autonomous. Just watch how it can transport material from one place to another by itself.
Towards the destination point. The precision is within 20 centimeters. The direction change in reverse is from a machine that weighs only, and the ratio quite as good version.
Here's how the largest mining excavator in the Czech Republic can operate on a limestone quarry. Fascinating is a word that can describe the way this machine works. Just watch how it can act as a piston cylinder yourself. Hydraulic shovels like this one can be insanely powerful. It's called the Terex RH400, and it looks like an absolute monster. This Caterpillar excavator can scoop up large amounts of dirt and release it similarly to how we scoop up ice cream and release it into a bowl. And here is a close-up shot of a massive and unbelievably powerful saw cutting through a rock effortlessly. Brilliant machines like this one are often so powerful and effective that they manage to make the hardest of tasks seem simple and easy. Unloading coal is a piece of cake when you have this 20-ton excavator. Bulldozers can be extremely powerful. For instance, just watch how easily this one can push large amounts of dirt. And this bulldozer is not only powerful, but also oddly satisfying to watch. This crawler dozer is so out of this world, I had to pinch myself to make sure I wasn't dreaming. It's visible to the eye that these hybrid loaders are loaded with power, but the cherry on top is that they recycle energy, which in turn can save you money. Humans can't mine continuously for hours and hours and maintain a rapid pace because of our tendency to get tired, but the same can't be said for continuous mining machines like this one. Although these shuttle cars can't drive themselves, they're pretty spectacular. This machine is built for releasing water at high pressures underground. It seems as if this electric hydraulic top hammer has come to us from the future, because its features are impeccable. Watch these cinema-worthy shots of this wheel loader at work. If there could be two words to summarize this rock crusher, they'd be quick and efficient. Large quantities of rock can be crushed up into pieces in no time with this cone crusher. And here's another machine that is just a pro at crushing up rocks. Waste materials usually accumulate and take up a lot of space, but a shredder can prevent that from happening. Just watch how it can shred wood, electrical goods, and more. And here's another material shredder that is just out of this world. Watch how China's biggest forklift that has a capacity of 50,000 kilograms can lift heavy objects with ease. Due to the weight of shipping containers, handling them can be quite challenging. But a cone crane like this one can be a game changer. This material handling machine reminds me of Transformers. Watching this material handler at work can truly be fascinating. A reach of a massive 25.2 meters and an operating weight of up to 90 tons is what this ship loading machine has, and it is no joke. It's easy to move large quantities of old scrap when you have this machine. The pairing of these wonderful shots and this impressive rough terrain crane is just amazing. 150 tons is equivalent to 150,000 kilograms, and that's what the capacity of this machine is. It is just mind-blowing how this one pass trencher is good enough to compete for a world record. These rotary drilling rigs aren't big for just no reason. They're big because they are meant for the big jobs. This excavator is compact, yet it can be extremely efficient at digging or even clearing dirt. Seeing how tall and huge this telescopic crawler is, I'd probably get dizzy just by having a look at it. Picking up and carrying 130 tons is something this machine can do while it's asleep. The task of handling barges can be simplified with this machine. Shipping containers can get pretty heavy, and so lifting them isn't easy, but this machine says otherwise. Have a look at how this machine would perform in a real-life scenario. It's crazy how this demolition machine can just pull parts off of buildings like they're lightweight objects. By no means is this machine autonomous, but that doesn't make it any less impressive. Challenging tasks require top-notch machinery, and that's exactly what's being shown in this video. And although these transformers are huge in size, it's still pretty hard to believe that they can weigh about a massive 500,000 kilograms. One man and his machine is all you need to perform various tasks such as scraping, loading, and transporting. Back in the old days, if you wanted to break a rock, you would have to do it manually with a tool like a hammer. But with the technology we have today, we can do it from the comfort of a seat. Concrete is a material that can be very hard to break through, especially when it's in its solid state. Yet this machine still doesn't seem to find it a hard task by any means. And here's another machine that works with concrete. This one is involved in mixing it together. Do not underestimate this machine just because it's small in size, because by no means is it disappointing. Even rocky and rough terrain isn't capable of stopping this machine. Hundreds of years ago, if people wanted to build trenches, they'd have to dig them, and they could take hours, if not days, if there were hundreds of people working on them. And it's amazing that today, the same thing can be built with just one machine in a short amount of time. Trenches can be formed in the blink of an eye with this heavy-duty trencher that is equipped with modern technology. And the same goes for this trencher that can form trapezoidal trenches. Watch how quickly it can cut a trench for the water, gas, and sewer lines for this home. The term efficiency can be represented by this bucket wheel digging machine. Just have a look at it go yourself. Here's another machine that's involved with forming trenches. This one can decrease costs, yet increases productivity. Sometimes, compact machines such as this one can be as powerful and efficient as huge machines. Smoothing out surfaces evenly is not as easy as this machine makes it look. Repairing roads or constructing new ones can take a lot of time, and it can get annoying for drivers that use that path. But with advanced technology, the repairs and construction of roads are not only getting easier, but also quicker. And it's just shocking to see how this push-loading machine works. And this is another way concrete can be broken into. Tearing through cardboard with a pair of scissors could take more time than this machine does to rip through the ground. Rocks can go into this machine in one piece and come out in multiple. This machine that can break rocks is just crazy. It seems as if it can break a rock just by laying its arm on one. Trees are like mini candy canes to this machine. Just watch how it powers through them effortlessly. Bodies of cars can be shredded into scrap by this shredder to help save space. If you've ever wondered what an insanely powerful diesel engine looks like, here's your answer. Extracting minerals from deep inside the sea is what these massive machines are functioned to do. The task of excavation may no longer require human control. Just watch how this machine does it autonomously. This surface drill rig is just the epitome of efficiency. Watch it yourself. And here's another autonomous machine. This one can apparently raise productivity rates by 15%. Keeping the airport runways clean is very important, and when it snows heavily, it can be hard to do that. Worry not though, because machines that can clean snow thoroughly and quickly exist. Aircrafts are big, and so wiping snow off them manually isn't really an efficient option. That's where this dicing vehicle that's super efficient comes in though. Being able to withstand the weight of an aeroplane is no joke, but this machine sure does make it seem like one. Here's another machine that is both brilliant and satisfying to watch. Which industrial machine did you find the most powerful and why? Let us know in the comment section below. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button and like the video. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you soon.